Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome everyone. So we just done watch Freedom Street concert and me I tell us yo, a long time me no see unity in a dancehall like this. From Bunty to Popcaan to Skilly to Tamili, all Shalom. Yo, the show was amazing. Me nah lie, it started off a bit rough, and for the people who only could have watched and never attend the concert, it was plagued with buffering. And to be fair, the buffering only got wicked when the introduction of the world boss was made.
Father name is the Morrison. From Godzilla. He was brought to from Godzilla. My butler. Listen me. The boy Serpy. You talk too much. Stadium. I want bad MC. Listen me. Me know when you have nothing.
Boy, the man have sang so till he couldn't even remember them. And the teacher students, Popcaan and Javinci, have to come in and help the teacher. Classical moment, me I tell you. Yo, entertainment for days. We have Boney Killer, who turned up, do his performance, and gave Cartel his flowers.
Happy New Year. We envision this moment, you know. Long time, you know. You see all of the people them ready to hold the faith and know that God is great. Say God is great.
God is great.
Happy new life. Them try to take your life and God give you a brand new one.
Brand new one. Respect my father.
Brand new year.
How you mean?
Brand new life. Brand new success. Youth. You are phenomenal.
Yes, sir.
I remember when Ron Butler brought him.
Yeah.
And I said, this man is a lyrical genius. Enough producer, gal and boy, never believe us. And now, improve that he is the father. Dancehall Pharaoh.
Member.
Listen to me. And I don't want you to feel like you are taking nobody's throne. You built your own.
Yes.
Independently. The hungry man, Ronya, whenever signed to an international label and sell gold and silver for me in a prison. Our king has risen. Yo!
And we learn from the best. We learn from the best. Remember that.
Yo, I'm so happy and elated today. I just want to say thanks, Jamaica, to give us the support, to support the youths them with talent. All of the people that believe in a faith and hope, it's the antidote to cope. Don't sell your soul. Heart and soul is the goal. See the man here? I hear them saying, the world boss. So, without further ado,
yeah, my father.
A riff did go on outside door. Popcaan and Chronicler was denied entry for 3 hours. They made it clear that it was Skatta and Joe who do it.
Yo, I wonder why they don't want to let me in the venue. I want to bomb buck like this. Hey, unruly winner. Pull up. Yo, Skatta, suck your mother, youth. If I never caught him, I got me yard. When I couldn't have me and Chronicler out the door for 3 hours. I want me couldn't have one down the native them. Don't do that to we out. I want to have you out the front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless.
All who have a real friend in our Buckler Stadium bust a blank in here right now. A loyalty we are dealing with, we not deal with no fuckery. Watch you now. No play the rhythm yet. We there suffer Vybz Kartel, me a talk straight. Me not there suffer some white boy and a rasta boy. Me a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skatta behavior. Joe behavior about buckle yourself. We there for Vybz Kartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy. Play me rhythm.
No boy can't be sniper. I'm in the damn shit.
How do we expel, man? We don't know bumbo class sense, you know. You know.
And yes, we have to go back to the performance with Shalom. You know, Cartel rate Shalom for a long time, saying call up the boss and him forward up and do him thing.
Alright, what with him? Me know say nice finger licking. Yeah? Me know about the fries and the dipping. Yeah? Me know about the foul and the... Hey. At all. What no? Hey. Come down now. Come down now. But come down now. Well, boss,
Come down now.
Huh. Me say we come down now. Some transmission we come down now. Fish dog, we come down now. Pedophile, we come down now. Hey, tear down now like wow. A full time now, so a golden go. And Miss Kitty, yes sir, we come down. Come down now, man. So much begging like who not blind man. Dead in a long time, but the man gone from very life and a big man lion. You're hungry, and maybe not tell you for your wife. Shut up. Give me it one more time again.
Tammy Lee forward and doing thing. Eddie G. You know them man, they have a unique style. He plays about 100 degrees and Eddie G come out in a winter clothes.
Dog rich like Rick Ross. Jesus and Vincent. Believe on me sing song. Most wanted squash. Popcaan. Them captain and twist. Hot catch. Yo stadium free. We crack up a piece of skull. Me leads a run a million. Me sees a month. You better move with the speed of gun.
Skeng. Yo, me not even want to talk about Skeng, cause Skeng come in like one piece of junkie. Tammy Lee a laugh after him, Popcaan a laugh after him.
Like a stream live. Jeez.
Hey, father! Hey, boy! Gunman! Even as my dog! Brother carry a 100 shot! Money get back one place get!
You know, Cartel two sons them come in and do them thing. Sean Storm, Enhance get call up. Cartel big up Movado and Black Rhino, whole heap. Boy, you know as much as the event did feel all over the place, you can't take away that it was not pure entertainment. Me have to make a part 2 on this cause, boy, it full of entertainment. The show was ended by the police and it somewhat felt incomplete. But it was a good look for dancehall overall and a big boost for the Jamaican economy.
Anyway, me can't read something wrong.
Yes, the packages.
I walk with a closet. Yes. We are going to talk.
I'm black eye. And Gaza me rep for all of my life. In a real life. Teacher, big up yourself. What me say? That giant in my iPhone, and when we call another young, we make $1 million first for the scheme in a. We dog knock on the client door. We live in high fraud, for we kill them knock your pump post and catch up on clothes. A German cars, the medallion and a Ballon d'Or. The medallion and a Ballon d'Or. Cash code, he bought load. No call the client, but them not the passport. On the grassroots. Yo, I miss a dance in a real life. I done speech and the right teacher. Everybody was say Gaza, big up yourself. I want dance man in a real life. I say golf. And Jim Brown badness. Father, you say your favorite song. You don't know what you do. Dark with dark and we no humble. Did I feel Wagila? My respect, Father. Love alone.
Love alone.
Tell this body you know finny happy. Tell this body you know. And me singing. Dance.
Big bumbo class, giant in my iPhone. And when me call another y'all door, me make a million first. And it's giving iron, sure me dog knock on the client door. Me live in high fat, so me kill them knock your bambos. You can't see me in no Japan clothes. Man a ballon d'or, the man a ballon d'or. Teacher, he bank load. I'm calling client, but them not the password. She live in a condo and the bank the crossroad. And the money reach a London, then the run a can't joke. The ring loads falling on me in soul. Every day I like a candle, all the money bad soap. We kill goat, sacrifice big notes. I thought it just for the German import. Happy no dog. Them no clapping no dog. Just the way I'm thinking of a pass. The sign of the days. Big food when we clapping a yard. None of them no tap the traffic abroad. We tapping a card. Quick a couple of Louis Vuitton. Bust down jewel upon your arm. Jumping a whip on the guard. Any CFT I never have on the car. And no sip of a car. Make sure they a 3D. The girl them in a skinny CD. A JJ on the slide of seat. A pop on the best of it. Willie don't call it, cheat dog, we not sleep. A from last week, the bang a chop. Oh, some man to them a chop on the one chop. You know what I'm going on? It's a pleasure. Fina Stadium from Black Eye Class. Look where it done, so. Look where it done, so.